In 2019, quantum physicists discovered what twin flames have been experiencing all along. Two particles can remain connected across infinite distances, instantly affecting each other's behavior. They called it quantum entanglement. Twin flames call it synchronicity. A twin flame couple's biomagnetic fields interacted in ways that exactly mirrored these particles. Then, in 2018, researchers discovered heart rhythms can synchronize between pairs of people in ways they couldn't explain. Twin flames often call this the pull. If that wasn't enough, in 2020, scientists found that during deep emotional exchanges, the brains of certain pairs of people synchronized perfectly. And another study on DNA resonance found that some rare couples have genetic frequencies that naturally harmonize. Twin flames call it the bond. But here's what fascinated researchers most. These connections didn't weaken with distance. 2,000 miles apart or 2 feet apart, the synchronization remained just as strong. Neuroscientists studying empathy discovered that the brainwaves of rare couples could synchronize even when they were miles apart. Twin flames often experience this as telepathy. Sleep researchers found couples sharing parallel dreams even when apart. Another study found that some rare couples' hearts' electromagnetic fields would interact with each other from several feet away. Studies into meditation and deep spiritual practices are starting to resemble the divine feminine and divine masculine energies we work with on the twin flame journey. Some studies started to show that couples would activate dormant parts of the brain. Areas that showed no activity in regular relationships lit up like fireworks in these rare pairs. The same areas ancient cultures claimed were gateways to higher consciousness. But perhaps what ancient cultures knew about higher consciousness wasn't mysticism. It was advanced neuroscience, which we're only beginning to understand. None of these studies were specifically about twin flames. Most people still haven't even heard of the term, and the ones that have usually just think it's another word for a soulmate. But more and more studies from multi-million-dollar labs are starting to show us what many twin flames seem to experience by intuition. The gap between science and spirituality is closing faster than ever, but we might never be able to fully explain the depth of the twin flame connection. It's like trying to measure something immeasurable, like weighing light or calculating infinity. Some things can only be experienced, not studied, not proven, just known. The kind of knowing that comes from the heart, not the head. The kind of knowing twin flames have carried since the beginning. I can't test your brain to confirm whether you are a true twin flame or not, but I'll leave a link below for something that might help.